there, did you know, according to the Department of Agriculture, the average family of four spends between $10,000 and $17,000 a year on groceries? Did you also know the average person throws away 1/3 of all the food they purchase? Now, if you're spending anywhere between $10,000 and $17,000 a year on groceries, that's what, $375 a month? That's a lot of money in the trash can. Now, if your plate is like most people's, about half your plate is fruits and vegetables. So if your family is tossing hundreds of dollars worth of food into the trash can every single month, and half that food is fruits and vegetables, have I got a solution for you. Your grocery store has an entirely different goal in mind for their produce than you do. They want the stuff to be as good looking as possible when you walk in the door, so you buy it. So it's packaged in a way that makes it ripen really quickly. But then when you bring it home, you want it to last as long as possible. We recommend that you take everything out of those packages from the store and you repackage them into the Fridge Smarts. And then you look on the chart on the front, fruits on the bottom, veggies on the top, everything's in columns. Low breathers, medium breathers, high breathers, there's a dot in the corner of each column, closed, half closed, completely open. Up on the top, there's a slide bar with 3 dots. You just match it up. Just doing that in itself and taking your veggies out of that drawer in the bottom of the fridge, what's that called? The crisper drawer? Put them at eye level and you're gonna snack on them up there where you can see them. This set of 4 sells for $94. And I know that sounds like a little bit of money, but remember, it does have Tupperware's lifetime warranty. And if your family's tossing $100, $200, $300 a month in the trash can of your hard-earned money, and these will double or triple the life of your produce, this is $94 well spent. Hi there, my name's Denny. My goal is to help you save time, space, waste, and you guessed it, money. You can purchase these on the link to my website down below, or you can contact me on Messenger. And hey, I'll show you how to save even more. Bye.